Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Zillow rent affordability tools. Zillow's rent affordability tool help you determine a sustainable budget by analyzing your income against debt, savings goals, and local market trends. In 2026, this tool have become more integrated, offering real-time inventory matches based on your calculated limits. So to calculate, all you have to do is scroll a little bit down from your home page in browser or site, or in app. You can also find it quite similarly. Scroll a little bit down and you will find this option called Zillow Home Loans, or Zillow this option buyability option. You will be able to find this buyability option, and once you're there, go ahead and select your location. And once you have selected your location, enter your credit score, and also make sure to mention your annual income and your down payment and your monthly debts. And once you've done so, go ahead and tap on this buyability button and you will find more options. Now if your calculation is somewhere wrong, the application itself will guide you, and all you have to do is tap on this see expert tips or read the breakdown. And once you've done so and edited your inputs, you will be able to find your specific properties according to your affordability. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.